Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 18th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which ministry has launched the Eclipse and After Festival? Ministry of Education has launched which scheme to train young and budding authors below 30 years of age? Which organization is conducting Steadfast Defender 21 War Games military exercise? According to latest census, Odisha's black buck population has doubled in the last 6 years. Black buck are found in which districts of Odisha? Which state or union territory has launched special assistance scheme for COVID mortalities? Bashar al-Assad is the president of which country? Who is the CEO of PNB, Punjab National Bank, which is headquartered in New Delhi, and who is the CEO? Which state has launched MoMA app, MOMA, MoMA app for home delivery of fresh vegetables? Parul Devidas, who passed away, was the first woman IAS officer of which state? G. Narayan Raju, who passed away, was the secretary of which department? So these were some of the important quiz questions from the month of May. And now let's discuss the answers. Which ministry has launched Eclipse and After Festival? Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Information and Broadcasting. Prakash Javadekar. Headed by Prakash Javadekar. Ministry of Education has launched the scheme YUVA. YUVA. Young Upcoming Versatile Authors. Young Upcoming Versatile Author. Which organization is conducting Steadfast? Is NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which is headquartered in Belgium, in Brussels in Belgium. According to latest census, black in Ganjam district. In Ganjam district of Odisha, Odisha's black buck population has been doubled in the last 6 years. So, special assistance scheme for COVID mortality is Jammu Kashmir, launched by Jammu Kashmir. Bashar al-Assad is the president of Syria. Syria. CEO of PNB is SS Mallikarjun. SS Mallikarjun. Which state has launched MoMA? Manipur. It's Manipur. Government has launched this app for home delivery of fresh vegetables. Parul Devidas was the first woman IAS officer of Assam. Hemanta Biswa Sarma is the new chief minister of Assam. G. Narayan Raju is the secretary of legislative. He is the chief secretary of legislative department. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. Which state government has launched Vedic Shiksha and Sanskar Board? Vedic Shiksha and Sanskar Board has been launched by our Rajasthan government Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Ashok Gehlot has launched this education tool which is named Vedic Shiksha and Sanskar Board. And who is the governor? Kalraj Mishra. If you talk about Rajasthan national parks, there is Ranthambore National Park, Sariska and Darra and Desert National Park. Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary. Then we have Keolad National Park, Sajjangarh Wildlife Sanctuary, And if you talk more about Rajasthan, recently they have launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana, Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana, and recently the Chief Minister of Rajasthan has launched Anuprati coaching scheme, Anuprati coaching scheme, and Jagannath Pahadia passed away recently. He is from Rajasthan. Who is he? Jagannath Pahadia passed away. He was the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Recently passed away. And Ritika Fogart is also from Rajasthan, and she also passed away. She was she was also from Rajasthan. Remember one more, Salt Lake. Sambar Salt Lake. Sambar Salt Lake in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan celebrate their Statue Day on 30th of March. 30th of March they observe their Statue Day. And remember last, Myon Ka Barta railway station. Myon Ka Barta railway station has renamed their name to Mahesh Nagar. To Mahesh Nagar. Remember all these points regarding Rajasthan. Which state government has approved the recruitment of transgender in police? So this is Odisha. Odisha government has approved the recruitment of transgenders in the police service. They have they have given the apply link for constable and sub-constable. Constable and sub-constable for the recruitment of transgender. Who is the Chief Minister? Naveen Patnaik. Governor Ganeshi Lal. And who is the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? Yes, Muralidhar. Yes, Muralidhar. And they observe their Statue Day on 1st of April. 1st of April in 2021, it was their 86th Statue Day, and Odisha government has launched Gopa Bandhu Bima Yojana. Gopa Bandhu Bima Yojana is of Odisha's government. And in Anamiya Mukta Bharat Index, Anamiya Mukta Bharat Index, Madhya Pradesh has topped in this index, and Odisha has topped second. Odisha is the second in this. And we have the national parks like Pathirkanika National Park, Simlipal Biosphere, and second biosphere of Odisha, they have been proposed for Mahendragiri, and Talcher thermal power plant has been shut down now. And remember one more, 14-day mask abhiyan. 14-day mask abhiyan was launched by Odisha government. So remember all these things. Remember one more person, Radha Mohan. He is from Odisha. Radha Mohan is from Odisha. He is a environmentalist. Passed away recently. Environmentalist, and he is a Padma Shri awardee. What is the rank of India in the recently released World Giving Index 2021? World Giving Index, India's rank is 14. India's rank is 14 and topped by Indonesia. Topped by Indonesia. Who is the president? Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo is the president of Indonesia. And what is the capital? Jakarta. Jakarta. And currency rupiah. So remember these things. Which state government will distribute 50 lakh medicine kits free of cost among the children below 18 years? So very important question. This is launched by Uttar Pradesh government, Yogi Adityanath, headed by Yogi Adityanath. Adityanath's government will distribute 50 lakh medicines free of cost kit among below 18 years to the children's. And who is the governor? Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel is the governor. And we have Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. We have what is the capital? Lucknow is the capital. In Lucknow, we have the headquarters of SIDBI. We have the capital. We have the headquarters of SIDBI. And who is the chairman of SIDBI? S. Ramanan. S. Ramanan is the chairman of SIDBI, whose headquarters is in Lucknow. And recently they have launched happiness curriculum. Happiness curriculum, unique gift scheme, unique gift scheme, and a center for excellence in hockey, a center of excellence in hockey was launched by Uttar Pradesh government. Recently, which ministry has launched an initiative, Sankalp Se Siddhi Mission Vandhan? So this is Tribal Affairs Minister. Minister of Tribal Affairs, Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda has launched this initiative, Sankalp Se Siddhi. His constituency is in Khunti, Jharkhand. His constituency is important, Khunti, Jharkhand. Hemant Soren is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. And recently, Tribal Affairs Minister has signed an MOU with Microsoft. For digital transformation in travel school. For digital transformation in travel schools. So remember, and who is the new CEO of Microsoft? Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft. Which bank has launched the first of its kind initiative, digital banking solution named ICICI Stack? So this is the answer is in the answer itself is in the question, ICICI Bank. Who is the CEO? Sandeep Bakshi. Sandeep Bakshi is the CEO. Who is the CEO of HDFC? Shashidhar Jagdishan. And DBS Bank has topped in Best Bank in India. Best Bank in India. And if you talk about State Bank of India, recently they have launched a Kavach loan scheme, a collateral free loan, Kavach loan scheme, collateral free up to 5 lakh for 5 years. For 5 years at 8.5 interest rate, at 8.5% of interest rate per annum. So remember all these things. And if you talk more about ICICI Bank has got a penalty from RBI, that is 3 crore rupees. 3 crore rupees has been RBI has kept a penalty on ICICI Bank. And recently they have launched a merchant stack merchant stack is of ICICI Bank. And one more, ICICI has partnered with PhonePe for FASTag issue, for FASTags. So this is important. ICICI Bank has partnered with PhonePe for FASTags. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Who is the chairman? M.R. Kumar. M.R. Kumar is the chairman. And Siddharth Mohanty, who is he? He's a CEO. So remember, chairman is different and CEO is different of LIC. CSL, Cards Service Limited, partnered with which bank to launch Shagun, a contactless prepaid LIC gift card? So this is IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank, which is based in Mumbai, headquartered in Mumbai, a private sector bank. This has been partnered with LIC Card Service Limited. Ministry of MSME, who is he? MSME Minister Giriraj Singh is the Ministry of MSME. Extended validity of Yog Aadhaar memorandum from 31st of March 2021 to which date? So this is 31st of December 2021. They have extended the validity of Udyog Aadhaar memorandum. According to Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, who is he? Nitin Gadkari. Government set a target of reducing road accidents by 50%. Reducing road accidents by 50% by 2024. This is, they have set a target by 2024 that they will reduce the road accident. And if you talk about Nitin Gadkari, his constituency is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. His constituency is, he is from Nagpur. And 47th Chief Justice of India, Sharad Arvind Bobde, former Chief Justice of India, he is also from Nagpur. And who is now present? 48th Chief Justice is N.V. Ramana, and he is from Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Kenneth David Kunda, who passed away recently, was the former president of which country? So one of the important question, he is from Zambia. Zambia's former president Dr. Kenneth David has passed away recently. What is the capital? Lusaka is the capital of Zambia. Zimbabwe capital Harare. And Peru, Lima. Peru's capital is Lima. Who among the following addressed the inaugural ceremony of Global Yoga Conference? So this is Dr. Harshvardhan, our health minister. Dr. Harshvardhan has addressed the inaugural ceremony of Global Yoga Conference 2021. Which state government has launched a program REVUP? REVUP has been launched by Telangana government. Telangana government has launched this program REVUP. Who is the chief minister? KCR. Who is the governor? Tamilisai Sundararajan. Who is the chief justice? Hema Kohli. And if you talk more about Telangana, recently they have observed their statehood day on 2nd of June, and in 2021 it was their 8th statehood day. And if you talk more about Telangana, we have the national parks in Telangana: Mahavir Harina Vanastali National Park, Murugravani National Park, Murugavani National Park, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, and Amrabad Tiger Reserve, Amrabad, and one more, Nagarjun Sagar Reserve, Nagarjun Tiger Reserve in Telangana. One more you should remember, you should not forget this. Telangana government has used drones to supply vaccines in partnership with Flipkart. Who is the CEO of Flipkart chairman? His name is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Flipkart. Who has been appointed as new chairman of Microsoft? So this is easy. Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. Vineet Agarwal, Asocham, right? Asocham. And who is the chairman of NASCOM? First woman. Her name is Rekha Menon. Rekha Menon is a chairman of NASCOM. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Paytm, right? So, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, not Flipkart. Flipkart chairman is, I'm not able to remember. Kalyan Murthy, around Kalyan Murthy, something is right, his name is Kalyan Krishna or thing is there. Okay, so Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Paytm. ADB, Asian Development Bank, has approved 484 million loan to improve transport, connectivity and facility industrial development in which state? In Tamil Nadu's Chennai. This all amount is for Chennai. Who is the Chief Minister? M.K. Stalin. Newly appointed M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister. Asian Development Bank, headquartered in Philippines, Manila. And if you talk more about Tamil Nadu, recently they have increased retirement age from 59 to 60 years. And we have one temple, famous temple, Kanchipuram temple. Is this temple is added in the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Site. And we have some of the national parks: Gundi, Gulf of Mannar, Indira Gandhi National Park. Don't confuse this Indira Gandhi National Park with the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Indira Gandhi Airport is in New Delhi. And Indira Gandhi National Park is in Tamil Nadu. And we have one more, Mudumalai, and last Mukurti National Park. And recently they have cultivated Matti banana to give geographical indication tag, GI tag. And one more, Unified Command Scheme. Unified Command Center for COVID has been launched by Tamil Nadu government. And remember one more, who is the governor? Banwarilal Purohit. So thank you. So these were the current affairs of 18th of June. See you on 19th of June.